Hello guys. I go by the name of what King First, can you call me Black More Africa, and kindly follow me on social media platforms on Facebook at Black More Africa, on Instagram at Blackmore_Africa, on Twitter the same thing, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like, and pass comments under all my uploads, for more updates and for more videos right here on my channel on YouTube, bro. Yes, finally after 4 years we have finally found a legend. She's a legend indeed, yes, because some of the comedians has been using her voice for their skits. Some of the TikTokers has been using her voice for their videos and their snaps and so on, bro. Charlie, she's a legend indeed. For the first time, we saw her video circulating on social media describing how that video went viral. That woman who said, "Subhanallah sanu nana kafra." Glory be to God. Sorry, you see, that be the meaning, So that woman, we finally found her describing how that thing went viral. Charlie, you see the picture for the screen top? That be that woman. She be fair, fine woman. So let's go and watch the video and let's see how that video went viral. Okay, so check the video out. We'll be right back.
My back will be great in Como say, and Mamma Naya Jumano of a cramo with a winning mountain. Did the Mihuyan say Abuana yin in 9? I want and another shave. And to that time, Namidi camera no action and answer. And Tina never feel one and yes, one a lie, sanu nana kafra.
Okay. Let us say a bonnet pushing you now, man. Sorry.
Yes, one a lie, sanu nana kafra. To that time, they asked me so bad. On also, no, a bam, we one no more deal.
Okay. Now, some video no a babontel if you're saying you're decent.
Video ne babontel. My fan is 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
Wow, that's actually fine.
3, 4 years. A 4 grand, 3, 4 years.
This is it's your comedy, dear moi.
Subhanallah sanu nana kafra. Charlie, that boy Charlie the beam me. I swear, it be nice voice way how my way you sound. She dey do in Tino. Charlie Olumai for sit down somewhere. Olumai go do. The old man wants to help the guys, the young G's, so that they go fit carry the animal inside the abubuya or the guy inside. Charlie, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right here on YouTube. Follow me on all social media platforms, Black More Africa, for more videos and for more updates. Yes, catch me same time, different time, or